Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to organize the asset library, okay? So, first thing that I noticed when I was starting to build things into the asset library was that whenever I would do anything and mark it as an asset, it would always go into unassigned. Now, one thing that I noticed also was that if I tried to make a new library, well, then I'd like try and right click, do whatever, but it wouldn't allow me to do anything with like assigning it to something, right? So I could just like add an asset. So let's see, I'll just do a UV sphere. Let's see. Let's make this 10 for a radius. All right, there we go. I'm gonna make a dome is what I'm gonna do. But anyway, um, so I got this. Actually, I'm gonna take that to wireframe. Here we go. Hold on. Okay, get rid of those. Okay, get that. ES0. Okay. Oh, hello. I also want to get rid of any doubles by distance. Okay, so I'm going to call this dome. Okay. So, one thing that I was able to do once I finally figured this out, I had to kind of go onto a forum to figure out how to do this. I'm going to get this out of the way too. Is that once I finally got the solution, then it's like it clicked, right? So all I'd have to do is go from all libraries to current file. Okay. You notice that now I have these assigned to a library. I want to take this dome object and I want to assign it to a library as well. I want to make this an asset. Okay, mark as asset. Okay, good. I've got everything so it's matching. All right. So this dome right here, let's see. I'm going to make a new material. So everything is going to go into this. Let's see. Dome. Okay. And maybe I don't want to do a lot to this, but let's see. Value I want to take down a little bit. But anyway, so I know I'm kind of getting off topic here. So, but right now we're in the unassigned. So I can add this to my architectural primitives library and then it shows up, right? Now let's say if I want to do a door. Um, let's see. And that one should be good right there. Okay. Let's see. And I'm going to do this just so that it's just a basic. All right. Basic form of this, right? Oops. Okay. Now this one I don't want to be architectural primitive, right? So, so if I want to do a new category, well, if I'm in all libraries, if I try and do this, this is all grayed out, right? And then it says asset catalogs could not be edited in this asset library. And the reason why is because I have this at all libraries. But if I go to current library, then what I can do is that I'm going to say, this is going to be an asset. And then this door, I'm going to put it into a new category. And then if I say plus, I'm just going to call this doors because this isn't going to be the only door that I'm going to do. So, and in fact, I'll probably add this as a name of underscore flush. Now I can come back to this later, and I can edit this. But what'll be nice is that I can get a door collection going, because what I can do then is that I can say unassigned. I want to take this and pull this into doors. And then we have it so that we have a door collection that we can start up. So this would be a door flush. I'm going to add casing to it later, but you get the idea of how I go and I organize this library, okay? So the doors I also want to put under models. So what I can do is I can move that under there, and now it's organized in the models category. And now I can go into all libraries, and then that would be put into all of our stuff here, right? So now we have this, and in fact, I want to call this just flush door. I'll do it that way. All right, so I know this is kind of long drawn out, but you get the idea on how you get that into the asset library and how you can add things, because this was something that was confusing me. How do you add your subcategories? And now that I have that, this is how we can get things assigned and get them organized into our various things when we need to go into our projects and have something to pull very easily. So let me know what you thought of this episode. Thank you so much for watching Nathan's 3D Factory. Make sure to like as well, and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I do these every week, and so I hope that you stay tuned and that you keep watching stuff for more great tutorials. And thank you so much for watching Nathan's 3D Factory. Have a great day, guys.